Welcome guys to the new episode of Python programming series. In this episode we are going to discuss about tuples. In previous episode we have seen how you can create lists, right? So simple way to create list was this, right? For example, if you want to append one item here, we have used numbers.append method, right? In the list, for example, if I want to append here 10, then we can use the append method here, right? But in case of tuples, you cannot change the items. For example, instead of square bracket, we have to write the parenthesis. Okay, and here you can print it numbers. So this is how you can define the tuples in Python. Now if you want to change, for example, if I want to change the first item in the list with 10, which means instead of 2 I want to reassign it with 10, then let's see whether it is possible in Python or not. So as you can see, tuple object does not support item assignment, which I have already told you. Once the items are defined in tuple, you cannot modify it. That's why it is called as immutable. Immutable means you cannot modify the existing items, right? And whereas the list is a mutable. List is mutable, which means you can modify the existing items in that. So that's the main difference between tuple and lists. Okay, one more thing which you must know is the concept of unpacking. For example, when we have discussed about variables, I have already shown you how you can use this kind of assignments, right? XYZ is equals to 10, 20, 30. If I print the value of x over here, so the first value is assigned to x variable. If I print the z value, it prints the 30. Okay, for example, if I take coordinates, okay, and here I define one tuple here, okay, and if I create a variable here like this xyz and assign the tuple here like this, now what will be the output if I print x over here? So as you can see, it directly takes the first value 1 and assign to x. Okay, similarly if I take y here, you can see it takes the second value and assign to y. This is how you can unpack the tuples and print it in this way as well. Okay, and another way to print the items is this one, coordinates of 0, coordinates of 1, to print the items. Okay, so I hope you got the concept of tuples in Python as well. In the next episode we will discuss about dictionaries in Python. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.